Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can blur shapes in Canva. So I'm going to show you the perfect method. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me put one shape here. So I go to the elements and I search for shapes. Okay, under the all you can see the all shapes. Go to the see all and select your shapes like this. Now we have these shapes. You can change that color of this shape if you want. Okay, now maximize the size and keep at middle. Now we need to go in share button and go to the see all, and here you can see the option called copy to clipboard. Just copy it. Now you can delete that original and paste that clipboard. So now we have shape as a clipboard. Okay, so now you just make sure it is just fit to the all canvas. Okay, select that, go to the edit, and here, okay, here we need to go in under the tools, go to the see all and choose that blur options and go to the whole image and increase the that intensity, and the blur effect can apply. You can see once you're done, come back, and this is our image, or sorry, this is our shape with the blur effects. You can crop it if you want. You can also remove the background, and this is the final effects shape with the blur effects. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.